Let's get this sorted. You in shot, Poppet? You in shot? Yeah? You ready? You ready? Should we do this? Okay. Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness, and today I am going to bring you a brand new review video. Today I have a box. This whole box is filled with chocolate. I do enjoy fitness, but I also enjoy a treat. Not only is it chocolate, more importantly, it's vegan chocolate. So, it's from Untitled Chocolate. I'm going to be reviewing them, tasting them, letting you know what I think, whether it's worth getting them really. Before I went vegan, I absolutely love chocolate. And despite my trim figure and fitness background, I wanted to make sure that I could still have the treats that I did. My biggest problem was I didn't realize if I could be vegan and enjoy chocolate, and if there was chocolate, what would it actually taste like? So this box is basically full. It is the vegan, not Christmas hamper, it's just the vegan hamper that they do. I will taste it and I will let you know exactly what it's like. When I did the Tokyo treat video, and I had no idea if it was vegan or not. So this time I'm 100% sure that everything I'm going to review today, and from now on really, is completely vegan. Also, because it's almost pretty much coming up to gift season, you know, you've got your Thanksgivings, there's Halloween, and then just around the corner there's Christmas and Hanukkah. Although it's been a really tough year for many of us, I think it's really important to still give that gift. You get a good sized box when you order the vegan hamper. So this is just a little brochure thingy to say thank you. You're very welcome. It's not the cheapest. The vegan hamper on its own was £28. I'll let you know if I think it's worth it. From a previous experience with Untitled Chocolate, it's always been a really high quality, really good standard of chocolate. I tried the other day the Galaxy Salted Caramel, and that has got to be the best I've tried so far. So this is the box. This is everything that is in it. It's got a lovely little bow on there though. Whenever you get anything with a bow around, you know it's gonna be good. Usually, but it just basically says the all dark collection, and then underneath it says vegan. Here you get a 70% dark chocolate slab, little mini one, and it's really thick as well. That looks good. Elegantly balanced deep cocoa notes. I asked Anna to do this video with me so she could share in the chocolate tasting, but I don't know where she is. Samantha? Yes, little disclaimer, the last couple of days I've had a bit of a cold, so my senses are pretty much back. Well, my taste sense and my smell is pretty much back, I would say, but not 100%. I think because it's dark chocolate, maybe there's a bit more intense flavour, so I should be okay. There is, a nice fruit and nuts. So it's got almonds, hazelnuts and cherries. This is nice. I think cherries and dark chocolate go really well together. Again, similar size to the other slab. By the way, if you don't like dark chocolate, you probably shouldn't order this. At least not for yourself anyway. A very, very mini dark chocolate slab. There's a few little clusters of chocolate on top of that. We believe our dark chocolate is suitable for vegans. I always read the ingredients on everything pretty much now as a fairly new vegan, because I want to be sure. Ooh. These look good. Called dark chocolate puddles. So these are like little, well, buttons really. Bite-sized puddles are the best way to appreciate the winning combination of smooth, dark chocolate and spicy ginger. Very nice. Where I think the thing about dark chocolate is that you don't need too much of it. It just keeps you satiated enough and satisfied, and you only need a little bit, so it lasts a lot longer. So in a way, probably is quite good value for money. Get one. Ooh, this looks good too. A super smooth praline slicer. Now, I've never seen anything like this before. A solid log of dark chocolate with hazelnut paste. That sounds really nice. I think that's what I'm most looking forward to trying. And then they're like sort of artisan chocolates. There is what's called Gianduja? I can't say that. Gianduja. But they all look incredible, and I literally just saw vegan hamper and I just ordered it because I wanted to do this review for you guys and for me. You know, it's chocolate at the end of the day. What I'll do is I'll try a few things. I'm going to start with this super smooth praline slicer, this one. So this is a better look at it in, you know, without all the packaging. Oh, I'm going to try a little bit. It's basically got some kind of ganache in the middle and a dark chocolate coating on the outside. We're all having treats today. It's Sunday, so why not? So let's try one of these dark ginger puddles. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Hotel Chocolat in any way. Although, you know, if you're watching, you want to send me some things. Oh yeah, I can smell that ginger. If you like ginger and you like dark chocolate, you are going to love those puddles. I think these products are definitely available individually. If you didn't want to get the whole vegan hamper, but you wanted to know, you know, what was vegan, just so you can maybe get a couple of extra, maybe like a stocking filler, or I don't know, something in a trick or treat perhaps with someone. Adult trick or treat, I don't know. But let's try the fruit and nut. This is 80%, so the dark chocolate is 70%. This is 80%, so if you're not used to it, it can be a little bitter. This is like the filling. It's crunchy, and I think the cherries counter the extra darkness to it. It's beautiful. It's just so satisfying. I feel like after trying a few of these that I haven't now got that chocolate craving. I'm gonna do one last one. One of these. Let's do one of these Gianduja. The perfect gift for vegans, dairy avoiders, or lovers of deep, intense cocoa. What do you think, Poppet? Are you a fan of dark chocolate? Poppet's now got in the box. I shouldn't be the only one having treats, should I? Here you go. Good girl. I'm just calling it the G chocolate. So, this is it. Oh, that's good. I think out of all of them, that's my favorite. It has got just like a hint of fruit. It's really truffly. I think I'm done trying chocolates. Just because you've gone vegan, it does not mean that you say goodbye to chocolate forever. I am really impressed with that. I actually don't think it's too expensive for what it is. For the quality of the chocolate, from the effort that they put into it, the detail. It's called the All Dark Collection. It's completely vegan. You can order it online. You can go into a store and purchase it. Perfect for a friend, family. Perfect for a gift over, like, you know, the holiday period. If you just want to treat yourself. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. It's right there. And don't forget to comment as well. I'd love to know what your favorite plant-based or vegan chocolate is, because, you know, I'd love suggestions too, you know, from you guys. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. As I say, I'll be doing plenty more of these vegan product reviews. I've got a few more coming up that I know you'll definitely find useful. I'll see you very soon.